morning, afternoon or evening. Welcome to Conf42 Machine Learning 2022. Before we jump into the content, please make sure to join our Discord server to post questions in the hashtag Machine Learning channel. This conference was brought to you by Globant, the gold sponsor, silver sponsors, and media partners. The conference opens with a keynote by Jesus Saldana Gonzalez, data scientist at Globant. Machine learning won't put you out of a job, but it will change yours.
Hi everybody, I come from Spain to invite you to my talk. Please join if you're interested in the AI revolution and why machine learning won't put you out of your job, but will change the way we work. See you there!
The Getting Started track is the first one today. Intelligent Business Agility, Artificial Intelligence at the Service of Business Agility, will be presented by Felice Pescatore, Agile Coach at Inspirit.
Hello everyone, and thanks for coming to this new edition, fantastic edition of Conf42 Machine Learning conference. In this talk, I will present you how you can use AI to improve your business agility and support your company to become a leader of your market or to conquer a new position in a new market. This is a very powerful opportunity to support changing inside your company, in finding a new way of working based on data and based on a new approach related to what really happens during a day-by-day work and what can be considered process data in relation to our new organizational assets of our company. Thanks and enjoy this talk.
In the next talk, Johannes Hotter, co-founder and CEO of Kern, will address greenfield versus brownfield data labeling to improve AI performance.
Hi there. I will be talking about greenfield and brownfield data labeling. And I know what you're thinking, labeling, that doesn't sound interesting, but trust me, we will look into super cool technologies. So thank you so much for joining in. I'm happy to be part of this conference and looking forward to this talk.
Vasco Veloso, Senior Software Engineer at ING Bank, will talk about artificial intelligence through the ages.
I'm going to talk about a few books, but also movies and other inventions that were created throughout the past years, or maybe centuries, that helped shaping our understanding of artificial intelligence as we have it today. I will also take a quick look at some pitfalls that affect our models today and, well, hopefully what we can do to prevent them. Join me in this short but hopefully interesting travel through time and through artificial intelligence. See you there.
Hacking and Securing Machine Learning Systems and Environments is the next lecture by Joshua Arvin Lat, CTO at Nuworks Interactive Labs.
Hi there. I am Joshua Arvin Lat and I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Nuworks Interactive Labs. I'm also the author of the book Machine Learning with Amazon SageMaker Cookbook. So in this amazing conference, I'm going to talk about how to hack and secure machine learning environments and systems. So stay tuned. See you there.
The tools track starts with Laura Hum, machine learning product researcher at Semi Technologies. Build your own search application with vector search engine Weaviate.
Hi everyone! At the conference I will be talking about the open source vector search engine Weaviate. Weaviate is a vector search engine or vector database, and you can use it to do semantic search or similarity search, natural language processing tasks, data classification, question answering, and so on, with various out-of-the-box machine learning models to unstructured data like text or images. In this talk, I will explain you what vector search is, when you can use it, which machine learning models you can use with it, and I will show you live demos with real use cases. It will be great to see you there. Bye bye!
Machine Learning 2.0 with Hugging Face is the upcoming talk by Julien Simon, Chief Evangelist at Hugging Face.
If you're interested in machine learning, natural language processing, transformer models, and all that good stuff, but you've always thought, that's too hard, I can't do this, I don't have a machine learning background, well, you couldn't be more wrong. Please join my session, I'll get you started, and you'll see how to build cool ML applications in no time. See you there.
Serverless architecture for product defect detection using computer vision will be introduced by Mohsin Khan, Solutions Architect at Amazon Web Services.
Hi, please join me for my talk on serverless architecture for product defect detection using computer vision. Defect detection and anomaly detection during manufacturing processes is a vital step to ensure the quality of the product. I'm excited to walk you through Amazon Lookout for Vision and share a demonstration on how it can be used and integrated with AWS serverless services to provide automated defect detection, real-time notifications, and visualization of insights from the process. Looking forward to the talk.
In the next session, Andrew Knight, developer advocate at Applitools, will explain how visual AI makes testing a breeze.
I'll show you how to supercharge your functional tests with visual checkpoints to keep your apps safe. Visual AI pinpoints the changes that matter. You can use it with any language, any automation tool, and any browser or device of your choosing. It's easy, it's fun, and it's awesome.
The last but not least track today is Lessons Learned. Harika Chebrolu, Senior Software Engineer at Red Hat, will tell you how to use AI to help energy industry to accelerate the smart green transition.
Hey everyone, how is it going? I hope you are all doing well. So this talk is mainly about how we can leverage the smart green transition to get rid of global warming. So as a part of this, we will be discussing about what's the problem and why do we need to solve this and how are we going to solve this. And at last, I will be going to show the demo of the sample architecture to solve this problem. Looking forward to meet you all there. Thank you.
How to detect silent failures in ML models will be explained in the next talk by Wojtek Kuberski, the co-founder of NaniML.
Hello, hope you will join me for my talk about detecting silent machine learning model failure. There I will discuss two main reasons for machine learning failure, that being data drift and concept drift. We'll also talk about how to estimate the performance of machine learning models without the access to ground truth, why it's so important, how to do it. And after that, we'll look back at detecting data drift and trying to find out what are the underlying reasons why machine learning models fail and how to address them. Hope to see you there. Thank you.
For the last talk at this conference, please join me in welcoming Karan Singh, Senior Principal Architect and Developer Evangelist at Red Hat. Edge-to-core machine learning and data pipeline on Kubernetes for smart city use case.
In this talk, I will explain how to deploy and use edge-to-core machine learning data pipeline on Kubernetes for a smart city use case. We will also learn how to automate everything using Ansible.
And this wraps it up for Conf42 Machine Learning 2022. As always, free RSVP unlocks all the content. Big heads up to our speakers, partners and sponsors for bringing this event to life, and to you for being with us and attending. We hope to see you in our Discord server in a minute. Just before you get there, make sure to read the code of conduct. That was Mark. Take care and have a great time at Conf42 Machine Learning 2022. Cheers!